Hey guys, I'm working on my Jaguar. There's this little hose here that the last person who worked on it put in there, but it's not the right hose, so it's all kinked and I can feel like a bubble in it. And I gotta take it off and replace it. I've already kind of undid it, but God, I hope this does it easier than it's feeling like it's going to. Yeah, it won't even go around that, so I'm gonna have to loosen it up a little bit more. I have wires, I don't even know where those go to. Okay, I can do it with my fingers now. So much easier when you can get it done with your fingers. Alright, oh, there we go, it just rolled down. Yeah, it's all bumped up here. Let me see if I can pull it up here so you can see. I mean, it's going to be hard for me to, because I can't see it. Okay, right there. Can you see that big bump right there? It's like it's pregnant. Maybe if I move those, you can kind of see up there, yeah? I don't know. Anyways, that's what's going on. My car won't start, and it was just like all of a sudden out of the blue. I know there's like a glare, but that's what we get at this time of the day. Try to minimize it for you. Oh, I'm so afraid I'm gonna get drenched in gasoline here, and it very well might happen, so I'm gonna move my big beautiful shoes right there. Oh boy. Holy moly, I am just not sure about this at all. I don't know what this goes to. I'm thinking it should be out of the way from here anyways. Let me move you, wire. You guys move back there. Pick up over here for me. Alright. No complications, I say. None. Will it just not go? That's what's going on. It just won't go. Okay, well, maybe if I push you back over there. Does it do it? No. Alright, well, I'm going to push you back over there for a minute. Mental reminder, get that back out of there. Remind myself to get that back out of there before I try and put that back on. Oh, Jesus. That is really on there. I am afraid that they fucking glued it. Oh, shit ain't moving. I don't know that that's the fucking problem, actually. Fuck. Well, for right now, since I'm not exactly fucking sure, I'm gonna get online on YouTube and I'm gonna look up some information to better assist myself today and helping myself be my own mechanic. Alright. I'm a do-it-yourself kind of girl sometimes. Alright, here we go. We're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. Here he is, the wonderful wizard, if ever a wizard was. Oh, if ever a wonderful wizard was, the Wizard of Oz is one because... Oh, there we go.